Hey guys, let's have a look at this quick educational video on how to do a multi-time frame analysis. So on a multi-time frame analysis, we always need to find big and strong areas in the market. So when we want to find strong areas in the market, we need to look at previous price action in order for us to get strong areas in the market. Now, as you can see over here, this was support, again support, then broke to the downside and got resistance, and now we are coming to a similar sort of setting. So basically the market tried to push up here, it didn't make it. Now it's made another push and a last push. Now it's moving to the downside. So basically what we're looking on the monthly time frame is we're looking for the market to have a push to the downside. So this is from the monthly time frame. Now let's look at the weekly time frame. So we go to the weekly time frame and get more accurate price action from this area. So let's take this out because we know that's a strong area in the market and we want to see the market respect that area of the market. So I will just put a small box over here so we remember that area, that is a strong area in the market. Now straight away on the weekly time frame, what I can see is the market, what is it's doing? It's basically making a M formation. So M formation, we can expect the market to then move to the downside after this. Because why it's creating a M formation, we have a very good trend line running over here, and we've already seen a retest of that trend line break. So we've seen a retest of the trend line break. All we need to do basically on a daily perspective is find our entry for this pair. So over here it was tested as support, it was then tested as support, it then broke out and was retested as previous support, now turned resistance. So we can expect the market to further continue to the downside. Now when we look at a pair like this, we need to make sure that we are confident with our monthly time frame, our weekly time frame, and our daily time frame. All these time frames, they need to line up. If it's bearish on the monthly, it needs to be bearish on the weekly. If it's bearish on the weekly, it needs to be bearish on the daily. So basically what we had here is a nice M formation creating, which is the retest double top of this analysis. Then we had a break of this previous structure. So this break of this previous structure, you could almost imagine is a strong area in the market because it is the last area of resistance. It was support, but now it's resistance because now it's a retest. So basically what we are looking for on the daily time frame is we're looking for the market to go back to this area, test this area again, and then from there we're going to look for a push to the downside. So this is how you do a multi-time frame analysis correctly in order to get into the market. If you're already too late, or if you want to start to trade profitably, then you need to use this kind of analysis so that you're 100% sure you know where the market is going. Now if I take the daily time frame and we look at a target for this pair, my first target would be at this low about here, because that is previous strong area of support and resistance also. So we have a strong area of support there, and we can expect the market to then make a different move from that area. Now when we go down to the 4-hour time frame, straight away we can see the 4-hour time frame. What we are looking for is exactly what we said on a daily time frame, is look around this area for a push to that side and then a retracement to the downside. So just to complete a simple impulse move, it needs to retest previous support, now turn resistance, in order for it to go break to the downside again. And once we have a break of this level, then the next level will form like this. So this is how it would be in a real life situation. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you a lot about understanding the market and how to enter the market if you need to enter the market. And remember always to use risk management. That's the most important, risk management. And also make sure you do your own analysis first before you get into a market. Try to understand the market, try to help yourself, educate yourself. And I hope it really helps you guys throughout this next video in order for you guys to profit off the market. If it helped you a lot, give me a like and a comment in the comments and like sections below, and thank you very much for your support. And this is how you should trade every day, all day. Have a good Christmas and New Year, and we'll see you guys in the next educational video. Thank you.